Bosch, Nokia, and Rohde & Schwarz, as members of the 5G Alliance for Connected Industries and Automation, present a practical demonstration of industrial automation over a 5G standalone private network. 5G performance measurements were taken in a real-world production environment in Bosch's Industry 4.0 Lighthouse factory in Stuttgart-Feuerbach, Germany. It proves that 5G can provide the performance, reliability, and quality of service that is needed to automate and digitalize manufacturing facilities and operations. The real-world factory environment used in this demonstration includes Nokia Digital Automation Cloud 5G Standalone Private Network Solution. It is comprised of 5G NR small cells and a compact edge cloud server that provides the 5G core functions and supports industrial applications and services. Bosch Rexroth's Active Shuttle, a self-navigating autonomous transport system. It is connected to the 5G private network and receives, for example, routing instructions to deliver parts and material on the factory floor. A Bosch 4K predictive artificial intelligence of things video camera supporting mobile broadband applications. And the Rohde & Schwarz 5G measurement solutions for deployed networks. It is based on a passive network scanner and an active device which collects the RF parameters and the KPIs of interest for an established data connection. We have all heard of the theoretical performance metrics that 5G can achieve: gigabit speeds, millisecond latencies, 6 nines network availability, greater coverage, and massive machine connectivity. But what is the performance of 5G in a real-world factory environment? Can 5G become the universal industrial communication standard for the factory of the future? The test cases presented in this demonstration will provide real field results to answer some of these questions. Wireless coverage is important in a factory where production area can be quite large, as is the case in Bosch's industrial 5G testbed at its Feuerbach facility, which is 10,000 square meters. The factory floor is equipped with lots of machines and equipment with metallic surfaces that can impact the wireless coverage. This test case measures the absolute 5G signal power levels received at varying distances from the deployed small cell. Measured values in excess of -80 dBm indicate very good coverage conditions. At the same time, the background noise and the potential for interference in the factory environment is checked. To do this, we measure the ratio of the strength of a 5G signal to interference and background noise. The so-called signal-to-interference noise ratio, or SINR, at various locations inside the factory. This is what the active shuttle will experience as it moves around the factory floor. SINR is measured in decibels. The higher the decibel level, the better. SINR values in excess of 30 dB indicate a well-deployed and interference-free network. This value is the basis for the achievable data rates that are shown next. Massive increases in downlink and uplink throughput are expected in 5G to support the growing use of video for quality control applications in manufacturing operations. This test case measures the 5G downlink and uplink speeds available to support these high data rate industrial use cases. For the chosen configuration, with a downlink to uplink ratio of 7:3, data rates of up to 900 megabits per second for the downlink and almost 200 megabits per second for the uplink are achieved. Network performance with deterministic latency for strict industrial communications and control is essential for manufacturing assets to become mobile in the factory of the future. This final test case measures the round-trip latency of the 5G private network as seen on the active shuttle. On average, the recorded latency is about 13 milliseconds based on a standard ping test. Future latency improvements are expected with 5G release 16 and 17 chipsets supporting ultra-reliable, low-latency communications. This demonstration shows the 5G performance of AGVs and other devices connected to a 5G standalone private network in real factory environment. The results for the test cases shown provide solid evidence that 5G can meet the performance requirements that manufacturers are looking for as they build their factory of the future.